say that we had what? We had this breakout structure here to the upside. So market never tested any demand zone around this area. So market decided to do what? To go higher, right? And here we have this small breakout structure, and market decided to test the origin of that breakout structure. So that becomes what? That becomes our demand zone, right? And here we have another breakout structure, right? So after having that breakout structure, market came and tested this origin here, which became our demand zone, right? So where are we targeting? On weekly, we are just targeting this all-time high. So that will be our all-time high. Okay, so this is where we are targeting, because we had a breakout structure. So we are expecting all this all-time high to be broken to get what? A breakout structure, right? So let's move to daily. Okay, on daily it's the same structure, but let's refine. We are going to refine this demand zone to around this area, right? So that now this becomes as our demand zone. All right, after market mitigating our demand zone, so now this became what? The last breakout structure before market tapping to mitigating our zone, right? And after market mitigating our zone, it caused what? A change of character to the upside, right? So this can be a market structure shift or a change of character, right? So we expected market to react either from this area, market to react from this area, but market did not manage to react from that area. All right, so this is our extreme demand zone. All right, market went above and gave us another breakout structure, right? So this is the current breakout structure we have. All right, and we can clearly see that market is reacting from this order block around here, right? So that's where market is reacting from, and this leg here, market are reacting from this order block around here. Actually, that's not the order block, it's reacting from that order block around there, right? So we have this structure here. Okay, so where are we expecting to have some buys from? Because we do follow the trend. So let's use this Fibonacci tool. We have the extreme demand zone, unmitigated demand zone, and then we have this order block around this area, but I'm going to include this fair value gap around here to be my order block. Okay, so on daily I'm expecting either we react from there or we react from here. So that's what I'm expecting on a daily time frame on Usdjpy, right? So let's move to see on the next time frame to see if this pullback has started to target this order block and this demand zone. So we are going to, on a lower time frame, 4 hours, up to 30 minutes to see if we can get some nice cells from here, or any structure which is being formed around here. Then we can see if we can get something from there. So let's move to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, to the current price action, let me squeeze that a little bit. Then on 4 hours, I can see that we had this as our last break of structure, as our break of structure again, I mean, right? Market reacting from demand zone. Again, we had this high being taken out like that, causing what? A break of structure. Okay, so we had this low being taken out. This low being taken out, giving us what? A change of character. Right? So where are we supposed to be selling from? We're supposed to be selling from around this region. On that region, let me look at as the supply zone on a daily time frame. So on daily time frame, I can only see this I can see that as my supply zone, where I'm expecting to short from. So if I can refine that row zone, I can refine it to around that area, right? So I'm expecting if market comes here, then I'll pick some shots from that area. Okay. So what else can I see? So the only thing I can see is that we have swept liquidity around this area, right? So that's a sweep of liquidity, and market went above, breaking this high with a body candle closure. So that gives us what? A change of character. We are just targeting what? Targeting this supply zone, but selling from this area, it's a risky, because a market can decide to continue with the trend. All right, so let's look for some buys from here. So this is it. I can see this change of character. So let's go to 2 hours, see any other information. No, let's go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, after getting this change of character, market reacted from that area of demand, right? After market giving us that, market reacted from that area of demand. Okay, so what else can we see? So we are just targeting to break this high to get what? Unexpected. So we are just expecting to get another break of structure, so that we can mitigate this supply zone over here. So that means we are getting this buy to sell, and again to buy. Okay, so what I can see here is that the internal break of structure is being taken out like that. That's an internal break of structure. Then I can see an internal market structure shift around this area. So what I'm expecting, maybe on Monday, I'm expecting on Monday either to buy from this area. Then I'm expecting this low to act as what? To act as my liquidity or inducement. Yeah, I'm expecting this low to act as my inducement. So this is what I'm expecting on Monday. This is what I'll be looking for on Usdjpy. I'll look for buying from that demand zone, right? From that demand zone, stop loss below some few pips there. Then I'll be targeting only this demand zone here, this supply zone, I mean. So this will be how many pips I'll be only targeting. I'll be targeting around 200 pips. So always look for confirmation before you open any position. And also if market decides to not to react to our zone or mitigate our zone or go hand in hand with our anticipation, our analysis, it's we will accept. Yeah, that is it. We need to accept if it decides to go not to obey us, not to obey our analysis. It's good. So that's it on Usdjpy. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to get this. Then from here, market will look that, right? So this is what I'm expecting on Usdjpy. Thank you. Always make sure to comment, share, like, and if you have any view on Usdjpy, you can comment on the comment section. Thank you and have a nice weekend.